If you're looking for a simple phone with legendary battery life and classic reliability, the Nokia 110 Power might be the perfect choice. This feature phone brings back the traditional keypad experience, but with a larger battery and several useful everyday features. Let's quickly take a look at what the Nokia 110 Power offers. Starting with the design, the Nokia 110 Power keeps the classic keypad phone style that Nokia is known for. The phone measures about 117.7 millimeters tall, 50 millimeters wide, and 14.2 millimeters thick, and it weighs around 88 grams, making it lightweight and easy to carry. It features a durable plastic body and comes in color options like blue, gray, and purple, with large tactile buttons that make dialing and typing messages simple and comfortable. On the front, the phone features a 2.0-inch display with QQVGA resolution. It runs on the S30 Plus operating system, which is simple and reliable for everyday tasks like checking messages, browsing contacts, and navigating menus. One of the biggest highlights of the Nokia 110 Power is its battery. It comes with a 1750 mAh removable battery, which is quite large for a feature phone. With this battery, the device can deliver up to 14 hours of talk time and up to 15 days of standby time, making it perfect for users who don't want to charge their phone frequently. Even as a basic phone, the Nokia 110 Power still includes several useful features. It supports dual SIM with 2G connectivity, and it offers 4 megabytes of RAM and 4 megabytes of internal storage, with support for microSD cards up to 32 gigabytes. The phone also includes a rear camera with LED flash, MP3 music player, wireless FM radio, voice recorder, and a 3.5mm headphone jack for listening to music. Charging is done through a micro USB port. Overall, the Nokia 110 Power is a reliable feature phone designed for simplicity and long battery life. It's a great option for a backup phone, a travel phone, or for anyone who prefers a classic keypad device with essential features. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.